Hey guys, this is week 3. So last week we were digging the footings, as you guys remember. Now let me show you why we dig the footings. So all this, also we dig, we actually put the rebar. Now this rebar, as you guys could see, it's going to go around the whole entire house, remember the whole house, for the walls to be able to go up. Now this footing, this rebar, is basically what's going to fall down the house, the foundation. This is how the foundation starts before you could actually build a house. What's going to happen today is actually we have an inspection. Before we pour the concrete, we need to make sure that we pass inspection. So the inspector is actually gonna come around and he's gonna check every rebar, every tie down, and making sure that everything is in the right location. You also remember how we did the setbacks, that we marked the points? Well, it's very important to make sure that this rebar is actually exactly 5 feet from the property line. If off by 1 inch, guess what? Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this training. We have put together a bunch of free resources for you guys at the description below. Don't forget to watch it after the training. Now, let's get back to it. We're gonna have to redo everything again. So that's why it's so important and critical to be very precise by an inch. And this is why we use lasers, we use the right team, and we pass inspection. For once we pass inspection, you guys gonna see, we're actually gonna pour concrete. We're gonna bring trucks and pour concrete along the whole concrete in the side. From there, that's when the walls start going up. So you gotta be very careful, very important. When you're doing this, a lot of people don't like the rebar, the concrete, but this is the foundation of the house. This is the most important part of the house before you build the house.